Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Ẹ má jẹ́ kí a waste time. Ọ̀pọ̀ ta fẹ́ ṣe ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ọba. Alájà Láìdé Bákàrè ẹ kú jókòó. Ajá tí ò kọ́ mọ̀. Ẹ̀rín yìí ni o Láìdé.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You're looking very beautiful.
Thank you very much.
You just came here as one of the actors that contributed to this graduation, or you just came on your own, ma?
I came as an invited guest.
As a what?
As an invited guest.
Okay. In your next production or your next project, will you, in your own, with something in your mind, this graduates here, will you encourage them to come on your production or something?
Why would I? I encourage anyone who wants to go in the industry to come on board, because we were also encouraged to join the industry. And we were encouraged by a few producers who were willing to risk their roles with us and say, okay, Flick, come and try this, or Ronke, come and do this. Okay. And then from there they'll be like, okay, she did well, I want to use her again. She didn't do well, I don't want to use her again. So from there, you'll be able to know who is doing great and who you need to encourage more.
Okay. How do you feel today? On your own, how do you feel today?
I feel great and I'm proud of Odunlade Adekola because this is not my first time coming for this kind of events that Odun is putting together for his graduates. And
okay.
So it's like a regular thing for me coming for his students' graduation. So
for those that want to participate, how will you encourage them?
The first thing I'm going to say to anyone who wants to be an actor is, please go to school,
okay,
and graduate first. But then there's always a room. There's always not even a room. There are rooms. But let me say there's a very big hall for everyone who is willing to showcase their talent in the industry. So go to school first, graduate, and come back.
Go to school to study theater art or what?
You can study theater art, you can study something else.
But must have a BSc or
yes, that's the coco gogom. Go to school first, graduate, and then when you want to come back, you can always come back. You will have something in your hands that even if after a while, you know, the truth of the matter, the bitter truth is that as an actor, your regime will come and go. Oh. You can never be there forever. Oh. It's either you're there till you are a little bit older or you're there till you die.
Okay.
So while you're there, or before people get tired of your face,
okay,
and you want to quit, you will have something to fall back on.
Oh.
I mean, that's your certificate.
Okay.
You can always do something with your life. Or while you are in the industry, you can save and then try to do a business on your own. Okay. That's if you graduate, you know you have something that, okay, I have something tangible. Or probably you get tired of the industry, you can go back with your certificate and get a job. Oh. You know, there's no time you can't go back. So you can't fall back on your certificate. So that's why I always advise people to go to school first, graduate, and then you can always come.
Okay, what about those people that stay in school and they're under training, under one or two productions like Odunlade Adekola or your own production or other people's production? How about that?
If you're able to manage, then it's fine.
Oh.
But if I just feel that it will make you lose focus.
Okay.
You can't focus on two things. It's either this or that.
All right.
It's either you do well in this and fail in the other one.
All right.
So I always advise go to school first, then you can always come back.
Okay, for the mamas at home and the papas, that they're not interested in education and all that. Don't call fair, can't shake it.
Yeah, well, okay. But okay, only one no.
No, ayé wà lágbà mi tí wọ́n like ìwé tó kàn.
Ayé wà fún gbogbo èèyàn tó bá ti ní ẹ̀bùn yẹn. Ayé wà fún ayé pọ̀ gan.
Okay. It's nice talking to you, my
Thank you very much.
You're very beautiful.
Thank you very much. Hi everyone. My name is Ronke Odusanya. Keep watching Boa TV. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's exactly everything. Boa TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.